And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and this is rainfall over the last 48 hours, so the last 2 days. And as you can see, these totals are definitely going up. But what you can also see is that the heaviest rain has mainly been along the Starr and Hidalgo County line and in western Hidalgo County. Meanwhile, the lower valley, you might be wondering what all this talk about the rain has been. You did see a round of heavy rain work over you during the overnight hours, but anywhere you see that shade of blue is less than an inch of rain over the last 2 days. That green is an inch of rain. The yellow is 2 inches of rain. But then you have these little spots of white showing up, and this is why we have flooded roads in western Hidalgo County this morning. Notice over the last 2 days, you've seen close to 8 inches of rain near the Citrus City area north of Alton. And then around the Mission area, yeah, we're talking about over 6 inches of rain, close to 7 inches of rain actually in between McAllen and Mission. So that's why we've been seeing flash flooding mainly in that area and not elsewhere. But more rain is in the forecast, so the totals everywhere are going to be going up. And the ground is just getting wetter and wetter, so it's going to be easier for flash flooding to occur. And unfortunately, we're tracking a disturbance off the Yucatan Peninsula that is going to be headed towards the Texas coast and keeping our rain chances going. Now today, actually what's causing our rain is a frontal system, a stalled out front, and that's why rain is still likely today, not because of this low, but because of a frontal system. Now the frontal system is going to fade away, it looks like, during the early morning hours tomorrow, but the low will be approaching. Now tomorrow it's expected to be right in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, so I actually think our rain chances are going to be a little bit lower tomorrow. We're talking scattered showers of storms where it's going to be kind of like one of those deals where it's a 50-50 chance that you're going to see rain. However, notice the track of this low. It is going to be moving into the Texas coast. So Thursday afternoon, our rain chances go back to likely, even though this low is still offshore. But notice everybody along the Texas coast is going to be seeing rain. It's looking like Friday afternoon is when this potential tropical depression, or maybe just a broad area of low pressure, will be making landfall. Winds don't look to be a big impact, but heavy rain, yes, is a possibility. And once again, on Friday, we think rain is likely and periods of heavy rain, so flash flooding is possible. But notice that the low is actually to our north, and we think the worst flash flooding will be north of the valley. But the potential for flash flooding exists here as well. Now, Saturday, there's going to be improvement because the low is going to be moving off to the west. So scattered showers and storms for Saturday, and by the time we get to Sunday, it's well off in West Texas, so it's just isolated showers and storms. So Sunday, over the days ahead, is actually looking like our driest day. Today, rain is still likely, again, because of the frontal system, not because of that low. Highs are only going to be around 86 with cloudy skies expected for much of the day. Isolated flash flooding is possible. We don't think it's going to be widespread, but in a few spots, the potential is there for a few flooded roads. That continues tonight because, yes, there will be periods of heavy rain, we think, during the overnight hours with scattered showers and thunderstorms, cloudy skies, and lows around 76. Because of the potential for more rain today, the flash flood watch is in effect until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. No, we don't expect flooding across the entire valley, but in some spots, we do think there could be some flooded roads. So keep that in mind as you're driving around today. There is the potential for a few flooded roads in the valley. We've already seen some during the overnight hours last night, and we could see more later today or tonight. Don't think it's going to happen on Wednesday because there are going to be so many breaks in the rain, but with periods of heavy rain likely on Thursday and Friday, we do think the flash flood threat will return for those 2 days. We'll see improvement on Saturday and a lot of improvement Sunday and Monday because by then we think more people are going to be staying dry than seeing rain. And because of that, our temperatures will rebound. Though we're going to be below normal, it looks like, through Saturday, looks like temperatures will return closer to normal for this time of year into the low to mid 90s Sunday and Monday.